Lonavala, a beautiful retreat away from the chaos of the city. It's one of the most popular tourist destinations in Maharashtra. It's called City of Caves. The hill station boasts of a spectacular settling that includes lush green valleys, stunning waterfalls, serene lakes, and remarkable caves. Offering respite for those wishing to make a quick escape from Mumbai and Pune, Lonavala and its twin city Khandala are the ideal gateway spots. About 65 km from Pune and 80 km from Mumbai, resting in the lap of Sahyadri Mountains. So if you are planning for a small relief trip to Lonavala, then you have come to the right place. Today in this video, I will be guiding you with 2-night 3-day tour plan for Lonavala along with train details, flight details, hotel details, best season, COVID-19 protocols, day-wise tour plan, cost breakup and total cost. So don't skip any part and watch till end. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notification. You can reach Lonavala from any part of the country by both train and air. There is no direct way to reach Lonavala if you are traveling from Kolkata, Chennai, Hyderabad or any other cities. First you have to reach Pune or Mumbai. Then avail bus, train or private cab to reach Lonavala. Pune is comparatively nearby to Lonavala, so it's best to travel from Pune only. If you travel by train, you have to get down at Pune Junction railway station. Train fare ranges between 1500 to 3000 rupees for both sides per person. By air, you have to get down at Pune International Airport. Flight fare ranges between 7000 to 8000 rupees for both sides per person. Now coming to the day-wise tour plan. Day 1. On day 1, first reach Lonavala by bus or by train from Pune. Check into your hotel and then go out for half-day sightseeing. Hire a cab which will cost 1500 to 2000 rupees. Start with Tiger's Leap or Tiger's Point. It's a scenic viewpoint situated at Kurvandi on the route towards Ambi Valley. Then go to Karla Caves. The caves are excavated nearly 100 meters on a high spur of the chain of hills on the north flank of the Indrayani Valley. Then go to Bhushi Dam. It's a masonry dam on the Indrayani River. Then visit Lions Point. The view from the point is majestic and panoramic. Then go to Lonavala Lake. The lakes fill up during monsoon and dries up in winter, so it's known as Monsoon Lake. Then visit the Celebrity Wax Museum. It houses 100 sculptures of celebrities like Rajiv Gandhi, Michael Jackson, Kapil Dev, etc. Once done with the sightseeing, back to hotel and overnight stay at Lonavala. Day 2. On day 2, move towards the places of Khandala. Hire a cab which will cost 2000 to 2500 rupees. Start with Rajmachi Fort, a prominent landmark that watches over some of the most breathtaking region. Then go to Rajmachi Point. The spot got its name from Rajmachi Fort. There is a temple and children's park. Then visit Visapur Fort. It's a popular destination for trekking covered in thick blanket of green. Then visit Lohagarh Fort, perched over the top of an impressive hill. Then visit Duke's Nose. Here the splendid valleys and the dense forest covered the Sahyadris. Then go to Kyun Falls. This is an interesting three-tiered waterfall having a height of 200 meters. Then visit Shooting Point. It's a beautiful place to enjoy the fort and valley. Then visit Srivardhan Fort located in Ramjachi village. Then go to Valvan Dam, constructed to provide hydroelectric power on the Indrayani River and Valvan Lake. Then visit Tunga Fort. To reach the site, one need to climb 1200 feet area of the fort. At last, on the way back to Lonavala, visit Amrutanjan Point from where you can get the view of town Khopoli. Once done with all those places, back to hotel and overnight stay at Lonavala. Day 3, back to Pune Airport or Pune Railway Station and back to your destination. This is how your entire trip will end here. If you want to extend your trip to one more day, you can visit the theme park Imagica. You need to invest the whole day to explore all the rides and activities. Best time to visit Lonavala is monsoon from July to September. People come to visit Lonavala in their summer vacation, so it's the best time when temperature ranges between 20 to 30 degrees centigrade. You will get a lot of budget hotel and resort in Lonavala. Price ranges between 2000 to 3000 rupees per night. I have mentioned few good hotels below in the description box. Lonavala is now open for national and international travelers. You need to follow few protocols to enter via Maharashtra. People who are fully vaccinated have to carry negative RT-PCR report not older than 72 hours. I have mentioned almost all details regarding a decent tour plan for Lonavala. If you want any other information, please leave your comment below in the comment section. So now this is the entire cost breakup for the tour plan. Hope this video is informative for you guys. We'll come back soon with next video. Stay safe, wear mask.